Kerala chicken curry. It says to puncture the film like 3 to 4 times, but that's loud. I punctured it more than 3 times. It says to heat it up for 2 minutes, but I'm gonna heat it up for 3 minutes. Okay. Alright, let's try it. I'm gonna remove that. Oh no. I can't eat this by itself. I need rice. Nah. Instead of rice, I'm getting a paratha from the frozen aisle department from the grocery store. I gotta warm up the pan a little bit, but let's see how this works out. Oh, okay. Oh, slap it. Try to like poof it up. Oh, there it goes. Personally, I don't like cooking on an electric stove, but it is what it is. Let's see how that's gonna come out. There is a process to do this. I like slapping the paratha, flipping it. Ooh, look at that, nice and brown. So the curry is a little hot. It is spicy, but I love spice. So instead of rice, I got myself a paratha. Delicious. I think I should make some rice.